Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, in today's video, we're going to be discussing how to make $2,500 per week as an Uber driver. So this is the Rideshare Hub where we talk about different ways to make money, which before we get started, one of the really best ways to make extra money is with Play Octopus. I'll have a link below to sign up, use our referral code, and you will get a free tablet. Comes with this little tablet, and your passengers can play games on it in the back seat, like right here, and you make money as a driver. So it's a really easy way to supplement your income, and they pay you an extra $100 a month. It's free to sign up. There's literally zero reason not to do it, and your passengers actually end up leaving you more tips, so you actually end up making more than $100 a month if you do it correctly. So check out our link below for Play Octopus, and now let's jump in. So I wanted to look at a couple different scenarios on how to make $2,500 per week, right? So let's just say you wanted to go out and drive 7 days a week. Let's just say you're in hustle mode, you're in grind mode, grind season as they call it. And believe me, it's totally fine to be in grind season. I've been in grind season. I'm kind of in grind season now with YouTube, but with Uber and Lyft and work, you know, I work 2 other jobs and Lyft at the same time. That was definitely grind season, working 70 plus hours a week. So 7 days a week, no days off, right? And a lot of people saying, especially, I'm just gonna say it, a lot of girls like to tell me, Dylan, why are you working 7 days a week? Take a day off, take 2 days off. I'm like, 2 days off? I'm like, I need to get my money straight. I don't have time to take days off. So if you work 7 days a week, and you work 10 hours a day, that's 70 hours. Now, if you want to do 70 hours divided by, I got to make average $35.71 per hour. Is it possible? It's possible if you do Uber Black and Uber XL. Now, here's another scenario about a guy who drove 82 hours in a week, and he made $2,526, and you got to hit those Quest bonuses. So with the Quest bonus, that's how you're gonna get to that extra dollar amount. Without the Quest bonus, it's gonna be a little bit difficult, but in essence, that's how you do it. You just gotta drive every single day. You gotta basically put in the hours, and you gotta sign up for apps like Play Octopus. Again, I'll have the link below to sign up, and that will help you hit your goal. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and we'll talk soon.